What is your lunch?
Lunch is lemon rice.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red color.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is mango.
What is your class teacher name?
My class teacher name is Nanaka ma'am.
Teacher speak English.
Why?
What is your mother name? Speak English.
My mother name is
My mother name is Alina Begum.
What is your brother name?
My brother name is Muhammad Irfan.
What is your father name?
My father name is Bakuddin.
What is your sister name?
My sister name is Marjana Begum.
Thank you.